Hey friends, this is Andy, and today I'm sharing how to make a cauliflower pizza crust. This pizza is low carb and totally delicious. First, you'll need to rice the cauliflower. Step one is to chop up the cauliflower, slice out the stem, and then break off the cauliflower pieces with your hands. Now add the cauliflower pieces to the food processor and blend it until it breaks down into small pieces that resemble rice. Add 2 cups of the cauliflower rice to a frying pan over medium heat and saute for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. This will help remove any excess moisture. Now add it to a large bowl along with chickpea flour, egg, oregano, basil, garlic powder, onion powder, and mix together until it forms a paste texture. Lay parchment paper over a pizza pan and add the cauliflower dough and use your fingertips to press out into a round crust shape. You can dip your fingertips in a bit of water during this time to help with the stickiness. Then you're going to bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes and then add pizza sauce and spread with a spatula. Add shredded mozzarella cheese and top with shredded kale or any other toppings you'd like. Turn the oven setting to broil and then cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until the cheese melts and kale begins to crisp. Remove from the oven and slice into 8 pieces with a pizza cutter. Eat and enjoy. For more easy family-friendly recipes, visit my website at andyan.com.